Is your life filled with a lot of stress? If you're able to implement the following habit, you could reduce that stress significantly. The good news is stress creates opportunity if you allow yourself to reframe it. By substituting a short-term stress for a chronic stress is very effective for many people. Physical exercise, which is a short-term stressor, is the best remedy for chronic stress. And one bonus habit to help with stress. Now, if you believe that life sucks and that everything is against you, then that is what you'll expect to see each day when you wake up. The reticular activating system in our brain will make sure you see all the negative things because that's what you're focusing on. It's the same as when you decide to get a sky blue sweatshirt and suddenly it seems everyone you see is wearing a sky blue sweatshirt. Or you buy a Labradoodle because not many people have one of those, right? No sooner have you bought it than it seems everyone else has bought one as well. When you expect everything to be bad, that's what your brain will show you. You're going to see all the evidence of how life really does suck, and today is just like every other day. Now, if you took a chance and decided today is going to be a great day, and say that to yourself as you wake up and your feet hit the floor. Say to yourself, life is glorious, it's amazing, there's so much cool stuff happening. And you start to look for that. You know what? That is what you're gonna see. Now, cynics will say that's being unrealistically optimistic without realizing the irony that of course they think like that, and it will feed itself and continue. Now, we have a choice in everything we do, and you do have a choice to decide how to make that switch or to make that switch. So why not try it? See if it works. But if you try it, you have to follow through. It's pointless saying, today is going to be a great day, but really thinking that it isn't. And hey, if it doesn't work, what have you lost? You can go back to believing everything is terrible and just write me off as another clown who tried to help.